Many Etsy clip art sellers struggle to get clicks, not because their designs are bad, but because their listing presentation doesn't stand out. On Etsy, customers don't see your full product first. They see your thumbnail. And if your clip art listing looks plain, crowded, or too similar to every other design in the search results, people may scroll past without noticing it. That's why creating clip art is only one part of the process. You also need strong listing visuals, polished product previews, and even short motion content that makes your design feel more professional. In this video, I'll show you how I use Lovart to create better Etsy clip art listing visuals, from generating font styles, applying them to product images, editing specific elements, removing backgrounds, turning static visuals into videos, and saving the workflow as a reusable skill for future clip art products. Before we open Lovart, let's talk about the real problem Etsy clip art sellers face. You may have a beautiful clip art set, but if the listing image doesn't catch attention, the buyer may never click to see what's inside. And this is where many sellers struggle. They create the product design randomly, upload a basic preview image, and hope it works. But Etsy is a visual marketplace. Buyers are scrolling through many listings at once, so your thumbnail needs to quickly communicate what the product is, what style it has, and why it looks worth clicking. That's where Lovart becomes interesting. Lovart is not just another AI image generator. It works more like an AI design agent that helps you build the full visual presentation around your clip art product. Because when you're selling clip art on Etsy, it's not enough to only have the clip art files. You also need a strong listing image, a clean text layout, an attractive preview design, and visuals that help buyers understand what they're getting at first glance. Instead of giving you one random result and leaving you to figure out the rest, Lovart helps guide the process from idea to finished product presentation. You can start with a simple creative direction, and Lovart can explore different design layouts, typography styles, promo poster ideas, and product preview directions for you. And the best part is that Lovart includes a font generator, which helps you create font styles that match the theme of your design. All you have to do is paste a prompt describing the type of font you need, or upload a design image, and the font generator will create a font that matches the mood of the product. This is useful for Etsy clip art thumbnails because the font should not feel random. If the clip art is soft and botanical, the font should feel elegant and natural. After choosing the right font, I can start improving the product visual itself. With edit elements, I can adjust specific parts of the design, like the text, icons, borders, or layout, without changing the entire image. Then, if I need to clean up the visual, I can use remove backgrounds to separate the clip art or product image from the background and make the preview look cleaner. And if there are any unwanted marks, messy edges, or distracting elements, the eraser tool helps me remove them without starting over. Once the static listing image looks good, Lovart can also help turn it into a short product video that I can use for Etsy listing videos. You can access the link to this platform in the description so you can follow along with the video. After creating my account in Lovart, I'm directed to this page where I can easily instruct the AI on what I want it to create. So to begin, I will be creating a clip art design. So I pasted my prompt format like this. In a white background, imagine a honeybee resting on a single wildflower bloom with delicate wings and soft floral details in a watercolor art style, and select the image model available inside Lovart to generate the design. And this is what I got. Now, in order to make Lovart act like my Etsy product creation agent, I gave it the following prompt. Act as my Etsy product creation agent. Use the uploaded watercolor honeybee and yellow wildflower image as inspiration. Create 3 wall art designs with text in 2:3 aspect ratio, 3 clip art designs with text, and 3 clip art designs without text in 1:1 aspect ratio. For each wall art and clip art with text design, create 3 mockups: a white mug mockup, a female character wearing a white t-shirt with the design clearly printed on it, and an Etsy thumbnail mockup. Then create 1 short UGC style vertical video featuring a female character showcasing both the mug and the white t-shirt. Keep the style soft, botanical, feminine, vintage inspired, watercolor based, and Etsy friendly. As a result, the AI used my design as inspiration to create a wall art design with text, a clip art design with text which works well for mug designs, and another set of clip art designs without text. It was also able to generate mock-ups for the designs, including the mug mock-up, the female character wearing a white t-shirt with the design printed on it, and the Etsy thumbnail mock-up. Finally, it also created a UGC style video. Now, if I click on one of the designs, I get access to the editing features below. Or let's say I want to change something inside the design. I can click on Edit Elements, and from there I'm able to select the design and text separately. So now I can scale the design to the size I want, select the text, change the font, and apply the custom font I generated earlier to get this result. Also, imagine I want to change the text itself. I can select the design, choose Edit Text, and easily change it to any name or phrase I want. Once the static image is ready, I can take the same design and turn it into a short video. This is useful because Etsy listing videos can make the product feel more engaging than a flat preview image. So instead of only creating a thumbnail, I can create a full product presentation that includes the design, the mock-up, and a short motion preview. Once I'm happy with the way this product presentation is created, I can save the entire workflow as a reusable skill. So if you've been looking for a faster way to turn your ideas into clean product visuals, social media posts, ad creatives, and even motion content without jumping between too many tools, Lovart is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it out for yourself and see what kind of designs you can create. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what type of design you would create first with Lovart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.